Today, I'm sharing a 100% effective way to grow 3 inches of hair in just 1 month. This method works guaranteed because it comes from an ancient village in China, a place full of real-life Rapunzels. Every girl in that village has hair so long it touches the floor, and their one and only secret is a simple combination of powerful ingredients, which I'm revealing today. Start by soaking rice in water and let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours. After that, strain out the water into a clean pot and add orange peel and dried gooseberry or gooseberry powder. Cover the pot and let it steam for 30 minutes, then turn off the heat. Transfer the mixture into an airtight jar or container and store it in a dry place for 24 hours. After 24 hours, pour the water into a bowl and apply it evenly to your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes to allow your scalp to soak in all the nutrients. After 30 minutes, rinse your hair with any mild sulfate-free shampoo. How often to use it? Use this remedy once a week for 1 month and you'll see your hair grow more than 3 inches. Try it out and let me know your results.